How to install 3monkeez knee-operated hand basin. 3monkeez has a complete range of knee-operated hand basins, square and round basins with options for tempering valves and thermostatic mixing valves. Start your installation by removing the screws on either side of your hand basin and release the mounting bracket. Then you need to measure and mark where you're going to install your knee basin on your wall. 3monkeez suggests a height of 850 to 900 mm from the floor to the rim of your hand basin. Once you have your height measured, take your wall bracket, measure the position for the holes and fasten it to the wall. Take the spout provided and install it into the hand basin. Apply a bead of silicone to the splashback and then slide your hand basin onto the wall mount, pushing firmly against the wall. Take the 2 screws and fix to the side of your hand basin. If you have a round knee basin, this is where you install your knee wand. Connect your flexi hoses to the water inlet and your outlet to your approved plumbing. Simply test for any leaks and your job is done. We trust this installation video has answered all your questions. If you do have any more questions, contact our Wise Advice Centre or our customer care team. 3monkeez gives you the tools to make your job easier.